This is my demo for PA2 so far. Right now I have 11 sprite objects on the screen. I have 2 ship sprite objects on the top that move left to right, and anytime they hit a wall, they swap colors between 2 colors that I had set. I have 4 alien objects. One of them rotates in place and scales up and down. The other 3 go left and right. They also rotate, and anytime they hit a wall or the left and right edges, they switch rotation directions. I have 5 forward shooter objects at the bottom that scale up and down in place. Some of the challenges that I encountered in making this were making sure that the collision detection was working accurately enough, and making sure that there was sort of smooth transitions between the state changes for each of these objects, and nothing was too glitchy or anything. Overall, I think it went well, and I'm looking forward to continuing this, maybe implementing the manager in the near future, and working on this towards the end of the quarter.